What if one simple habit could make you happier, leaner, sharper, and healthier without complicated routines or expensive equipment? What if all it took was putting on your shoes and moving forward for just 30 minutes a day? Most people think running every day will destroy their knees or completely exhaust them. But the truth is very different, and by the end of this video, you might look at running in a whole new way. Hey, I'm glad you're here. I'm a certified fitness coach, and today we're talking about what really happens to your body when you run for 30 minutes every single day. This isn't about training for a marathon or pushing yourself to exhaustion. This is about realistic, everyday running that normal people can actually stick to. By watching until the end, you'll understand the physical changes, mental benefits, and how to run safely without getting injured. I'll also help you decide whether running outside or on a treadmill is better for you. No fancy gear is required, and beginners are absolutely welcome here. You will be happier. Let's start with something most people don't expect. If you run every day, you will very likely become happier. Studies show that even a slow 30-minute run can significantly improve mood, especially in people dealing with stress, anxiety, or mild depression. And here's the surprising part. You don't have to run fast to get this benefit. Even running at a pace close to walking can lift your mood. When you run for a longer period, your body releases endorphins. These are chemicals that help reduce pain and increase feelings of pleasure. That light, positive, energized feeling people talk about is what's known as runner's high. Over time, running becomes less about discipline and more about how good it makes you feel afterward. You will burn a lot of calories. Now let's talk about fat loss and energy balance, because that's why many people start running. Running is one of the most effective calorie-burning exercises you can do. A person weighing around 70 kilograms can burn close to 20 calories per minute at a moderate pace. In just 30 minutes, that's roughly 360 calories. And that's on flat ground. If you run uphill, face strong wind, or vary your speed, you'll burn even more. Over weeks and months, this adds up in a big way. Combined with sensible eating, running daily can help reduce body fat and maintain a healthy weight without extreme dieting. Strong knees and joints. A lot of people avoid running because they think it destroys your knees, but research actually shows the opposite. Runners are less likely to experience knee pain than people who don't run at all. Running helps maintain a healthy body weight, which reduces stress on the joints. It also strengthens the muscles, tendons, and ligaments around the knees. Every time your foot hits the ground, your body adapts. Muscles and bones get stronger when they're exposed to healthy stress. Activities like swimming and cycling are great, but they don't provide the same impact that helps build bone density. When done correctly and progressively, running can actually protect your joints over time. A healthier heart. Your heart absolutely loves running. Running is a form of aerobic exercise which strengthens your cardiovascular system and improves blood flow. The good news is you don't need long or intense sessions to see benefits. Just 10 minutes of slow jogging a day has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. When you run regularly, your heart becomes more efficient. It pumps more blood with each beat. Your resting heart rate goes down and your endurance improves. Over time, everyday activities feel easier because your heart and lungs are better conditioned. Better brain function. If you ever forget where you left your keys or struggle to focus during the day, running can help. Aerobic exercise increases blood flow to the brain and improves the delivery of oxygen and nutrients. This supports memory, concentration, and mental clarity. Many runners report sharper thinking and better decision-making. Running also helps manage stress hormones, which play a big role in mental fatigue. Over time, your brain becomes more resilient and your ability to handle daily challenges improves. Deeper, better sleep. If you struggle to fall asleep or wake up feeling tired, running might be one of the best solutions. People who run moderately for about 30 minutes at least 5 times a week tend to sleep better and feel more refreshed in the morning. Running helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. It also reduces anxiety and physical tension, making it easier to relax at night. Just try to avoid intense running right before bed, as that can be too stimulating for some people. stronger immunity. Regular running doesn't just improve how you feel, it also strengthens your immune system. Moderate aerobic exercise has been shown to reduce the risk of serious illnesses, including certain types of cancer. Running helps improve circulation, which allows immune cells to move through the body more efficiently. People who run consistently often report getting sick less often and recovering faster when they do. It's another powerful reminder that movement is one of the best forms of prevention. Beautiful, strong legs and full body toning. Running works some of the largest muscles in your body. Your hips, calves, thighs, and glutes all work together every time you take a step. Over time, these muscles become stronger, leaner, and more defined. But running doesn't stop at the legs. Your core and back muscles work constantly to stabilize your body. Even your arms and shoulders play a role in balance and rhythm. When you run regularly, your entire body benefits, not just your lower half. How to run every day safely. Now let's talk about staying injury-free because that's key to consistency. First, invest in proper running shoes. Regular sneakers are not designed to absorb the impact of running and can lead to injury. Second, increase your distance and speed gradually. Your body needs time to adapt. Mix in other activities like swimming or cycling to avoid overuse injuries. Strength training for your legs and core will also help support your running form. Always warm up before you run and stretch afterward. And if possible, working with a coach can help correct technique mistakes early on. Street versus treadmill. A common question is whether it's better to run outside or on a treadmill. Psychologically, many people find outdoor running more enjoyable. You feel movement, scenery changes, and it's often easier to stay motivated. However, environment matters. If you live in an area with polluted air or heavy traffic, treadmill running in a gym with filtered air might be healthier. If you live near a park or quiet neighborhood, outdoor running can be incredibly refreshing and mentally relaxing. Both options work. The best choice is the one you'll stick with consistently. The real transformation. Here's the biggest thing to understand. The biggest change from running every day isn't just physical, it's mental. You become more disciplined, more confident, and more in control of your health. Each run is a small promise you keep to yourself, and that builds momentum in every area of life. Running teaches patience and resilience. Some days feel easy, others feel hard, but you show up anyway. That mindset carries over into work, relationships, and personal goals in a powerful way. Running for 30 minutes a day can make you happier, leaner, stronger, and more focused. It improves your heart, brain, sleep, and immunity while shaping your legs and supporting your entire body. You don't need to run fast, far, or perfectly. You just need consistency and smart habits. Your body is designed to move, and running is one of the simplest ways to honor that design. Start where you are, progress slowly, and trust the process. If you found this helpful, hit the like button so more people can see it. Subscribe to the channel for more simple, science-backed fitness guidance, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Drop a comment and tell me if you prefer running outside or on a treadmill, and what your biggest running challenge is right now. And when you're done here, check out the next video on the screen to keep building a stronger, healthier body.